Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, bringing you this fantastic looking Mercedes-Benz C-Class Estate plug-in hybrid that is now available at the dealership. This model is the C350e Sport model, finished here in the optionally upgraded Iridium silver metallic colour. Front headlight design is incredibly stylish and will offer full LED headlights with distinctly shaped LED daytime running lights. This model also comes with a number of optional extras such as premium equipment package as well as AIRMATIC dynamic handling package as well for ultimate comfort. Round the side you will find these stylish 18-inch 5-spoke painted titanium grey alloy wheels, and there is even a panoramic sunroof with both a tilt and sliding function as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. Passengers in the rear will be very happy given the fact that this is an estate model, as there is plenty of legroom and headroom available for up to 3 passengers, with the upholstery being finished in Artico black leather. The light headlining will be fully complemented by the natural light thanks to that sunroof, and moving towards the rear, full LED taillights will be complemented by twin exhaust pipes. When your hands are full, you'll be happy to know there's also power opening and closing tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous boot space that can easily swallow 4, maybe even 5 suitcases, and that's before you fall on the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split seat. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin is no different, offering premium interior with door and dash inserts, floating screen as well as leather multifunction steering wheel and front sport seats. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not press on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Mercedes, you will be surrounded by refinement and quality. Everything's solidly put together and is absolutely beautiful to look at. Easy to use electric seats are even featuring 3-way memory function as well as heated seats, and power folding wing mirrors and auto lights are also very easy. Multifunction steering wheel can control most of the vehicle features, and there are even paddle shifts available too, with cruise control functions too. Color TFT screen ahead will let you know what is happening at any given moment, and has got all the basics information about trip, but also lets you know what the energy flow, range total for both electric range and fuel, and various drive modes are on offer, allowing you to go hybrid, charging the battery, pure electric mode, or perhaps saving your battery for a later time and engaging the petrol motor. Also, various drive modes are available, prioritizing a more sportier drive or a more comfortable, relaxed, economical drive, whichever you prefer. Also, other information can be displayed, such as navigation guidance, radio stations, and Bluetooth contacts and media can all be operated whilst on the move, adding to the overall convenience of this Mercedes-Benz Estate. The floating screen is operated via a rotary dial on the center console and again mimics what can be found on the color TFT screen. Radio stations will benefit from full AM, FM and DAB digital radio with full satellite navigation mapping displayed ahead, and even supports live traffic updates to make sure you never ever get stuck in any nasty jams. Additional media source inputs are available in the form of Bluetooth audio for wireless media streaming, but there are also numerous other ones which you may wish to utilize. Bluetooth telephony process is incredibly easy and will allow you to dial numbers whilst on the move, and just in case there is the SOS emergency function. Dynamic select will allow you to configure the drive even more, and it's much more pleasing to look at on the main screen, and there's even a 2-zone climate control system available both for the driver and passenger to keep you cool. To help with parking, audible and visual parking sensors are available, with a rear view camera which even offers a wide angle view, which is great when pulling out of difficult spots. Moving down the center console, large 3 air vents are available, as well as physical shortcuts for the climate control, with additional hidden storage available with large cup holders, numerous buttons on the center console, and easy to operate panoramic sunroof with both this sliding function here. You can tilt it a bit, letting in plenty of light, or if you prefer, fully slide it open, letting in a nice light and air to give you a really nice breeze. This has been a presentation of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Estate plug-in hybrid that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.